For beginners out there that want to learn how to swivel the instrument, this is just a quick little tutorial. I hold the lyra in my left hand, so this is my right hand. So when you swivel, the instrument's sitting on top of your closed legs, and it should be able to just swivel freely. So you're not closing it, you're not putting it between your legs, putting any pressure, sideway pressure. So it needs to be able to swivel quite freely. And when you're when you're swiveling with your left hand, that's my left hand, the right hand just keeps going like that. So this is just a rhythmic. You don't have to worry about what it's doing. All you're doing is swiveling here. So a lot of the tunes are going from one side of the instrument to the other. That's called a swivel. So you can practice it by just a quick exercise if you like, you can do in your spare time. That's probably the most basic swivel. So you're placing your second finger on the gapan chord, only playing the gapan with a forward. So this is forward, and when you come back, you go swiveling a bit, and you're playing the two chords. So playing forward gapan with playing only the gapan chord, and on the way back you're playing no fingers, but you're coming back on the gapan, playing the gapan in the middle. So it sounds like that. So again, you're only swiveling here, and this is going back and forward. This is not changing the angle to get the desired sound. You're changing it. You're getting the desired sound from the swivel. So it's just very subtle. And if you want, you can do the first finger as well. So you're only playing the one chord, but on the way back you're playing the two chords, the middle and the gapan. The other one is the second finger on the gapan and middle chord going forward, so you're getting the two sounds. And swiveling over to the zil side now, and you're playing no fingers at all. But you're playing the zil and the middle together. And again, you can drop the first finger as well. Again, it's very subtle with the swivel, and it needs to be seated on top of your legs, closed legs, and the right hand is just going back and forward. Another one you can try is the third finger on the middle chord, going forward, playing forward with two chords, so the gapan, playing the middle and the gapan, and then same as before, playing the zil side and the middle. You can do the second finger as well if you like, going forward. The third finger is probably the most common. So you can add trembles later if you like. So if you want to come backwards on your right hand. So this is backwards. But at this stage, probably just get into to do some exercises. As I said, second finger on the gapan, forward, coming back, swivel. First finger, you can alternate. And again, just back and forward. So all the movements in the left hand, and the rest as well. So again, you can alternate. This is double chord. So start slowly, build your way up with speed, but the most important thing is to play clearly. Before you speed it up, learn how to play it clearly, slowly. Hope that helps.